What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Cyborg Cyan from Rainbow Friends. Let's begin today's lesson on the top left side of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. Start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then back up towards the top. Let's leave a small gap and draw the same size circle on the right. So we start by lining up the top, and we want to bring that down towards the same height, and back up towards the top. Let's trace each of the eyes along the inside, so drawing a smaller circle. And then inside the left eye, we're going to draw a long oval for the pupil, and we'll fill that in black. Let's go to the center of the right eye and draw a smaller circle. Now from here, we're going to draw the top edge of the head. In between the eyes and along the top, draw a straight line going across. Let's line this up on the left side of the eye. We're going to bend this out and then up. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's round up the side of the head, bring this all the way around, and then bending that in. And we'll close off the bottom of the head. We'll come down just underneath the eyes, in towards the middle, go all the way across, and then bend that up towards the right. Let's go back and layer the eyebrows in behind the eyes. Let's start from the inside, bend this in and then up on both sides, taper that down and then out. Let's go to the top of the eyes, bend this up and then down. And then again, we're just going to taper this so it gets wider as we come back in on top of the eyes. Let's tuck the lower half of the head in underneath. From the side, we'll step in, curve the head coming down, in towards the chin, and then bend that back up towards the right. Let's trace the mouth along the inside. And we'll add some sharp teeth along the top, starting in the middle, come down, and then up toward the left, and then the right. Let's add a few more teeth on either side. I'm going a little bit smaller on the end. And we'll add the bottom row of teeth, starting in the middle, one point going up. Let's leave a gap and add a couple more on either side. Now from here, we're going to draw on the back going out towards the tail. Let's start on the right side of the head, come down, then this up and out. Let's go over toward the left side of the head, bend the body, going all the way around, come down towards the bottom, and then in towards the center. Now you want to layer the front leg on top of the body. So we're going to step up, come down, round at the knee, and then go back up towards the right. Let's round up the side of the leg, going up, bend this in, and then up. Let's add a thick band around the leg. From this point, we're going to step in, draw an oval, going up, down, and then up underneath the leg. And then from the top and bottom of the oval, draw a straight line going out, close off the side with a curve. Let's go back and flatten off the end of the tail, going around, and then down. And we'll follow this curve coming in, down, and then in behind the leg. Let's place the end of the tail in behind. From this point, we're going to step in, going up, come down, and then back up. From this point, let's step up, follow that same curve, and just taper this out towards a point. Now you want to separate the end of the tail with a series of curves. Start from the top, leave a gap, and just continue all the way out towards the end of the tail. Let's draw on the bottom of the leg. From the side, draw a straight line going out, and draw a circle. Let's add a smaller circle in the center. From the bottom right side of that circle, bend the leg going out, and then down towards the bottom of the foot. Let's draw a straight line coming in up. I'm just going to trace these two lines going back up underneath the circle. Now from these 2 points, draw a straight angle line going up and in, equal length lines. Let's connect the top with a straight line, and it'll follow this curve going up and in underneath. Let's add 3 curved claws along the end of the foot, starting down here, and this out and down, and go up toward the top of the foot. Now halfway between these 2 points, draw a straight line coming down. From the top, add another claw coming down, and just tuck that in underneath. Let's go to the end of the foot, draw another straight line, and draw that same claw coming down and then in. Now let's tuck the left leg in underneath. We're going to start underneath the body, then this in and then down towards the bottom of the foot. Round out the bottom of the foot going towards the first claw. Let's add in the first claw. We're going to go up, bend that down towards the tip, and just bend that back in towards the bottom of the foot. Let's layer 2 more claws in underneath. Starting from the top, go up and then down, and we'll tuck that in, and do that one more time. Now let's go to the outside and draw the thigh. We'll start up here, bend this down, and then in. Let's go to the top of the last claw, bend the foot going up and then down, aiming towards the heel. I'm going to close off the leg with a small curve. Let's add a hinge connecting the leg to the body. So we're going to start on the side of the body, draw a small half circle, go to the side of the leg and do the same thing. Now I'm going to connect the top and bottom half circle with 2 straight angled lines. Let's go back and add some more detail to the body. We're going to start right in the center of the body with a circle, going all the way around and back up, and a smaller circle in the center. Now I want to surround the outside of that circle with some squares. Let's start on the left, going out, down, and then back in. Do the same thing on the right. Let's add one along the top and bottom. Let's add one more square in between, coming down at an angle. And then from the top of the body, we're going to curve this down and then in behind. Bringing that in towards the side. Step up and draw that again. Let's add 2 angled bars coming up from the center. Step out and draw that again. Let's add a couple circles along the bottom on either side. And we'll go back down and add a wire across the bottom of the left leg. Bend this down and up. Trace that along the bottom. Now I'm going to add a simple spring coming out from the left side of the neck. Let's start from the top. Just going to spiral this around. And I'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Cyborg Cyan from Rainbow Friends. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon. We've got some exciting news to share with all of you. We're offering a variety of incredible options to level up your art skills. Join our exclusive masterclass memberships for just $1 a month or catch more free tutorials on our Excel sketch channel every week. Don't miss out on any of these amazing opportunities, so subscribe or join today.